Hello there. Today I want to give you exciting news of how you can extend your life with at least 15 years or that you can get much older than you think. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you about our Elim Holistic Scanner. Now what does Elim Holistic Scanner do? And it's very important that you go for such a scan. It's a biofeedback scan that measures the energy of your body. So Elim stands for Energy Level Indicative Monitor. Okay, so health is all about energy and vitality. The Chinese people call it Qi. That is your energy, your power, your vitality, your feeling good, your well-being. Okay, so if you get up in the morning and your energy is low and it keeps on being low, that will turn to aging and also to chronic disease. So every disease starts with a low energy, and that is what we measure with the Elim. We do a scan and then we can see the energy in all your cells, in all your systems, in your whole body, in every cell, and your hormones, your deficiencies and things like that. And according to that, give you some suggestions on where to start with your health. Okay, so it's all about energy. If it's a low energy, that means there's already a problem. We've got 300 trillion cells in our body, and each one of them is a little energy generator. So they all generate energy. And if there's a problem in some system or organ, then your energy will be low in that organ and that system. And that is a sign that there is something wrong there. That's the root of the problem. So all diseases starts with low energy. And that is what we measure with the Elim scanner. In a short time or period, we can give you graphs and a whole explanation of where the energy is low, because if it keeps on being low, it will turn into a chronic situation and then to pathology. So we can pick it up long before it happens and show as symptoms in your body, up to 2 years before you can show it in the blood. Okay, so the next word is level. So level means that everything in our body must be kept leveled. That is a big word for that is homeostasis. So homeostasis means that they must be balanced. Balance is the secret for health and wellness and well-being and for vitality. So everything in your body must be balanced. It's balanced from signals from your heart to your brain, and your brain is the conductor, like a musical conductor, that conducts the level of all the organs, all the systems, trying to keep everything level and balanced. So that is an important factor. And we check the level. Is it negative? Is it low? Or is it overactive? It can be overactive as well. And then we can look and see, come to a conclusion, where is the root of the problem? Where's the weak link in your body? So that is what level means. Indicative means that we get an indication. So it's not like a sonar or blood test or whatever, but it gives us an indication, a clue, that there is a problem with that system, that organ, and then we can correct it. Okay, and then the last thing, monitoring. We can do a scan and save it, and after a month, when you do what we say and you cooperate, you can come back and we do another scan. And if you did what we told you to do, you followed the suggestions and you did do your part, you will see the difference on the scans and on the graphs. And that's very encouraging when you see the before and the after and the after and the after, and you can see the improvement all the way. Okay, so before I finish with my talk here, I want to explain to you why it's important to do the scan. Because we've got two types of diseases, there's two classes of diseases. One is horizontal disease, and horizontal disease is when you are already diagnosed by a doctor or a specialist that told you you have got this or that disease, like diabetes or cancer or heart disease or circulation or autoimmune diseases. That is horizontal, when you are diagnosed. And when you are using chronic medication, that means for your blood pressure, for your cholesterol, and things like that. Okay, but there's another type of disease that we call vertical disease. Vertical disease is a case where you are on a scale from 0 to 10. And there's a lot of things that happens on this scale. If your lifestyle is not good, you don't drink enough water, you don't sleep well, you don't supplement, you don't exercise and things like that, you are on the scale between 0 and 10, where 0 is you are totally well, and I can tell you there's nobody that's a 0. We are all on the scale, but you don't feel any symptoms, just a little tiredness or your headaches, or things that you suspect is wrong in your body, but you can't really tell there's a problem. Pain and headache and tiredness and things like that. So that all tell us that you are on a scale between 0 and 10. So if we can find you, say at 5, and that's prevention, okay? So it's easy to go back to 0. By just changing a few things in your lifestyle and supplements and things like that. But we will tell you what to do, suggestions, give you what to use, what to do about your deficiencies. And then, but if you are already on horizontal disease, there is the problem, because the road back to health is a long way to freedom. So that is what I wanted to show you and tell you, that you can make a difference in your own health, take control of your own health, and come take a scan, and you will see that we can monitor your health and see where you are on the scale between 0 and 10 on the vertical scale. And do it today. We've got a lot of scanners in South Africa where there's certain doctors and pharmacies that already do the scan. The scan is very short, it takes a few minutes, and it's fairly cheap, and then we will give you suggestions on what to do. So I want to invite you, do your scan, and as soon as possible to find out, because prevention is better than cure. Thank you for listening to me, and I'll come back to you next time. God bless.